Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how change default search engine Chrome. Can't change my default search engine in Chrome. Open Google Chrome. When you open a new tab, you will see the search engine used. Now from the menu, access settings. You must go to the search engine section. Click on change and choose the engine you want to use in Chrome. Click on set as default. After that, when you open a new tab, this will be your new search engine. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.